Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. In this short video I'm going to demonstrate how to bind the Radiomaster TX16S to an E-flite UMX airplane. In this case I have an older UMX MiX-15 ducted fan jet with AS3X technology. It doesn't have safe, just AS3X, which is a stabilization technology. Unless you give any input from the controller, it's just going to keep its attitude the same. So if you have like windy conditions, it will be flying stable and level. Okay, the AS3X is on the receiver, not on the transmitter side, so I'm guessing that I don't have to do anything for that. So let's get started. First I'm going to set up the model very quickly. So to turn on the TX16S, long press on the power and it will greet you. Let me change the camera angle quickly. Okay, the first step is just creating a model. So to do that, long press on this wheel and then model select, bring it here, and another long press on the wheel and then just create model. That's the top choice. One short click and it's going to be an airplane, so select plane. Yes, my model has a motor and it is on channel 3, so I'll leave it like that. Just move to the next page, this second button from the top, or third button if you count the system button. Number of ailerons, it has 2 ailerons. However, they are connected with a Y cable. They are not on separate channels. So this is selected and it's on channel 1. So the next page. Does your model have flaps? No. Next page. And this is the correct configuration with the rudder and elevator. Channel 2 elevator, channel 4 rudder. So next page. And I don't need to change anything, so I click. Yes, all is well, create a plane. And then return this button to exit. So it says model 36. Let's return again. That's selected. Model 46 is selected. So now I'm going to long press this MDL or model button and just give it a new name. I don't want to keep it as model 46, not very descriptive. So one click. I have 15 characters, so I'm just going to truncate. I'm going to call it EF UMX MiX-15. Okay, this is done. Now the binding process. Before I do that, I'm just going to go all the way down to the menu. To jump to the bottom, you just push the wheel one click left. So we are all the way down on this page. And I'm going to turn on the internal RF module. So multi-module is on. Go to the next. So here I'm going to select DSM. And I'm going to select DSMX with a shorter response time. Let's see if that's going to work, because this is going to be a quick turning airplane, so 11 milliseconds. And I'm going to change receiver number. I leave the receiver number 00 empty so that when I'm setting up another airplane, it doesn't give me that error message that there are already other planes. So I'm going to set this to receiver number 20, which I know it's empty. And then come to bind and just leave there. I'm not going to press the button. Now what I'm going to do is connect the battery. And inside we should see a fast blinking light. Do you see? That's the receiver. It is blinking fast. And what I'm going to do now is, I don't want it to be so close, but I'm going to click this wheel to start the binding process and then move my radio all far, because sometimes these receivers, they don't like to be so close to the source, to the transmitter. So it is in the binding process. and as you see, the light stopped blinking and it made a chirping sound. So now it should be bound. Let's double check. Let's double check so you can see. So ailerons are working. Right aileron, they need to be reversed. As you see, when I give right aileron, the right aileron drops, so it's reversed. Elevator is working, it is supposed to. Rudder is reversed as well, so I'm going to change it. The front wheel is turning as well. And just give a quick. And the throttle is working as well. So what I'm going to do now is I can come out of this menu, return, return. So we are in the main screen. I'm going to, just in case, going to unplug the battery very quickly.
Telemetry lost.
Turn the transmitter off and then do it again. I don't know if it is needed, but I do it anyway. After a binding process, I reset everything. So turn on the transmitter first, then connect the battery, and it's bound already. Again, reversed, this is correct. Rudder is reversed as well. So in order to reverse those two, you long press the MDL button and then go to right using this page down button until you are in the outputs. And in the outputs, channel 1 is ailerons, and you can tell when I move the ailerons that little arrow is moving right and left, so that's the channel that we are reverse. So one click on the wheel, move it right to this arrow, it says direction. So long press, let go, and then now it's changed, and now it's right, left, it's moving correctly. Let's come out of this and then go down to channel 4, which is the rudder. Again, let's check. So again, that little arrow is moving. One click, bring it to the direction and change the direction. Now it is moving correctly. Okay, we are all set. Return, return, return. So our little model is ready to fly, and this is how you bind an eFlight UMX model with AS3X technology to the Radiomaster TX16S. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments, and stay safe and healthy. See you on the next video. Bye bye.